One of the coolest, but also one of the most frustrating parts of digital marketing is just how fast everything seems to change. One minute, everyone's focused on social media marketing. The next, it's all about content marketing. A few months later, well, we're back to talking about email marketing again. And around it goes. At least, that's how it looks from the outside. But the reality is that what really separates the amateur digital marketers from the pros isn't the tactics, or tools, or technology used, but rather the underlying marketing principles and strategies that influence them. And that's why today, I'm going to be showing you how to create digital marketing strategies that work. Not just today, but for months and even years to come. So let's get to it. Hey there, my name is Erhart, marketing strategist, and welcome to The Marketing Show. If you have a business, do marketing for a business, are studying business, or have even ever shopped at a business, maybe not that last one, then this is the place for you. So you may want to consider hitting that like button and subscribing all at the same time. Also, a big thanks to AppSumo for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. First, let's talk marketing. Specifically, how to craft a killer marketing strategy that helps bring in new leads, new customers, new clients, and new sales for your business. Now here's the deal. Much of what you've probably been told about marketing, and specifically digital marketing, is just wrong. And this explains why so few businesses ever manage to really crack the code on marketing in order to use it to actually grow their businesses and increase their revenue. First off, most marketing that's being done right now is being done with too much of a focus on vanity metrics like building an audience, or getting more page likes, or increasing views on a video, or basically anything that doesn't directly contribute to making a sale. You see, the thing about marketing is that it's not there to make your business look cool. It's there to make sure you even have a business at all. After all, marketing is the single most important element to your business's success because it's marketing's job to bring in new leads, new customers, new clients, and new sales, all of which are vital if you actually want to survive. The next thing is that most digital marketing spends way too much time, money, and energy on chasing shiny objects. Hey, squirrel! Rather than abiding by the time-tested, battle-proven, and profit-producing fundamentals like making sure you're doing the right things in the right place. For the right people. The right people? Well, those are your ideal customer avatars. Those perfect fit customers or clients that you love and that love you and want to tell everyone about just how great you are. The right things? Well, these are the messages and content that you put out that makes those right people feel seen and heard and understood and appreciated. And the only way to do that is by first understanding what your ideal customer avatar's biggest pains and problems and frustrations are, and then crafting your marketing to address them. Then we have the right place. And these are the media channels or networks or platforms that you choose to use in order to reach your ideal customer avatar. And here's the thing with that. Despite what you may have heard about how Instagram is where it's at, or Facebook is still the 800-pound gorilla, or YouTube is the most effective marketing channel ever, or whatever else the guru of the day is trying to sell you on, the reality is that there is no one-size-fits-all marketing channel. What works for someone else may not work for you. And worse, what works for you today may not work for you tomorrow, which is why you always need to be staying current and up to date. This means learning and growing and optimizing and constantly evolving and adapting to where business and marketing are going. This is why I'm constantly looking for new ways to optimize my emails or SEO and overall marketing strategy. And that's also where the sponsor of today's video comes in. AppSumo is the #1 software deal site, and they've got discounts on products that'll help you strategize your content, live stream to all your favorite platforms, create visual content that excites your audience, and a ton more. What makes AppSumo one of my favorite companies, though, is that they partner with other businesses in tech, so they're able to bring you unbelievable prices on their products. For example, you've probably heard of the email marketing powerhouse, MailChimp. Well, they first appeared on AppSumo almost a decade ago. Plus, a lot of their deals provide lifetime access, meaning you pay once and then the software is yours forever. This can save you thousands of dollars, but to sweeten the deal even more, AppSumo has thrown in an extra 10% off for the first 500 people that purchase through the link in the description below. And one of the first tools I'd recommend you check out, and one of the tools I'm most excited about, is Plurdy, which is a weird name, but an incredibly useful tool that helps you increase the conversions on your website by using heat maps, which shows you where people are scrolling and stopping and clicking, session recordings that show you how people are using your website, and click tracking to monitor so that you can analyze what users are doing on your website. When you have this info, you can improve your overall site design and convert more visitors into paying customers. So if you're an entrepreneur or marketer looking for great tools to grow your business, check the link in the description below and get an additional 10% off just by using the link. Or you can also use the code AdamErhart10 at checkout. Choice is yours. And that, my friend, leads me perfectly to my next point, which is all about the most effective way to create a truly profitable digital marketing strategy. And that way is backwards. The most effective marketing is marketing done by putting the customer first and building your entire campaign around them. Your customer, or market, is so important that it's baked right into the word marketing itself. This is why the first step to building truly effective marketing comes down to really trying to dive deep into your ideal customer avatar. Not just identifying the stereotypical marketing basics like their age or gender, or income, or occupation, but going much, much deeper. Trying to figure out what their wants are, and their dreams, and their goals, and their desires, and all the things they're trying to achieve, as well as all of their pains and problems and fears and frustrations, and all the things they're trying to move away from. This is what your marketing is going to be built on, helping them move away from their problems and towards their dreams and goals. The gap in between those two states, well, that's where your business comes in, to help guide them to the promised land. Once you have that part nailed, it's time to really get honest with yourself about platform selection. Are you on TikTok just because Gary Vee said it was a good idea? Or maybe you'd be better served by finding a different and more market-appropriate channel for your business, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even boring but still effective, LinkedIn. The key here is to find where your market is present and active online and then go there, ignoring everything else, no matter what anybody else tells you. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time and money and energy talking to a bunch of people who are unlikely to ever buy your stuff. That's not smart marketing. Of course, to help make all of this work that much better, you want to make sure it's built on a solid foundation of proven marketing principles, which is why the next thing you're going to want to do is check out the video I have linked up right here on Introduction to Marketing. So make sure to check that out now, and I'll see you in the next episode. Also, if you're looking for some great deals on marketing software, make sure to check out the AppSumo link in the description box below. All right. See you in the next episode. Marketing helps people solve their problems by clearly defining and delivering solutions and really explaining the benefits of those solutions so they can get better results.